What's going on, guys? Today I have a 2022 Mazda CX-5 and I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter as well as the cabin air filter. So here is the engine air filter. You have to pop the hood to the car first and it's super easy and super quick. We look at the cover here and there will be two metal tabs. We simply just take our finger here, push one, and this one's the second one that is undone. Now we just take our hand, pull up on the cover, and it's kind of hinged into place. So pull it in this direction first, and then sort of back towards you and lift up, and that reveals the engine air filter. We simply just take this out. This car is brand new, so it is perfectly clean, under 50 miles on this car. I will leave a link in the description for this part number, and maybe a link to where you can buy one as well. To put it back in, we simply just lift the cover again, drop it into place, make sure it is absolutely in place, and then on the back we will see these tabs 1, 2, and 3 on the far left end. We want to make sure those are in place first. So as you can see, the tabs are locked into place. Now we make sure the cover is absolutely back on, and we just take those metal pieces, brackets again, lock them back up. All right, that's it. So now let's move on to the cabin air filter. This filters the outside air inside to the cabin of the car. Open the glove box, push in on the glove box right here, this way, and right here this way. And you might want to do this with two hands at the same time. That will allow the glove box to fall down. Under here we see this white box with a tab. Take the tab, push it up, pull it towards you, and this will reveal the cabin air filter. And this is all one piece, so you would take your new one and slide it back into place. And there you go, slide it back, locks into place, tab is locked in. Now we just take the glove box, give it a little push, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate that. Check out the links down below for all the parts. Also, if you have any questions, let me know below. Check out my channel for more car videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.